last week I had a losing week, bro. I've been having a losing streak, man. But we gonna stick to the plan, and we gonna do everything
Hell yeah.
exactly the same way. I ain't changing nothing, bro. Doing the
Mm-hmm.
same thing. So whatever happens,
Yo,
happens.
actually, nah, real talk. Yo, I actually want to see the trade that you did last night. No cap.
Alright, this was it right here. Word. You here? Yeah, this was it. Boom. Actually, I think it took me out over here. But you looking at it?
Yeah.
And so nigga,
I seen that
basically
thing. I seen that thing.
basically I had my demand marked up right here. And honestly, this doesn't show a gap, right? So this was low probability on the 5-minute, but I think on the 15, nope. Yeah. So honestly, like I kind of knew the risk in taking this, but I still took it. You feel me? And it played out well. So it played out well, but this was definitely low probability. See, bro, you really don't gotta be perfect all the time, bro. You just got to have the right risk to reward, risk management, and you'll see something happen. You'll see that shit happen. Yeah, GJ wanna fuck with me right now, so just breaking candles and shit on the 5-minute. You see this? This close in the 15-minute, bro. It's what's telling me like just hold on a little bit, because there's 2 minutes left for the 15-minute to close. So depending on how that one closes, it should tell me kind of everything I need to know about this trade. No cap. Especially for the time being, it's 9:57.
I'm not gonna lie though. That candlestick that's wicking right now. It looked like it opened like right at the same level as the one before. So I think
On the 5-minute,
yeah, like,
on the 5-minute, it's looking smooth because it just broke the previous 5-minute. So it just depending on how it closes is really what matters. No cap.
we got a minute left. My prediction, I think it's gonna close good. My opinion, to be honest, just about a setup.
I just got into the same trades, but on the real account too. I'm risking like $16.
On GJ or on EU?
GJ finna take me home today.
Hey, yo, GJ, you better turn the fuck around, nigga.
There's still a minute left for the 5-minute candle to close, so you know, let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. What's good? So got into gold trade. Price came down. It came into the zone. It did blow past the zone, but it never closed outside of the zone. And also, as you can see, these huge rejections was an indication that liquidity was grabbed, and price was grabbed in order to continue going up. So price coming back down here tells me that its demand zone right here is very strong and it should hold up. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what happened. Price came down, tapped into here, and started making its way back up. So I seen that and I just got in my stop loss right below here, and I should have put my stop loss here, but honestly I'm just trying to catch this one right here, and let's see what happens. I lost my first trade the day I got in, and I think I took another trade with this. I think this might be my third trade or my second trade, I'm not sure, but I believe this is my third trade. But I'm just gonna wait and see what happens with this trade, and hopefully this goes my way today, man. Hopefully at the end of the day, in profit. But if not, it's the beginning of the week. Still got more time to do some damage, so that's just what it's gonna be. So I got into a couple trades earlier. I ended up losing them trades. I got into GJ trade and a gold trade. I had sold this, but obviously price didn't sell and I got kicked out of my trade. So I decided to change my bias. And originally I was gonna buy into it, but I seen that price was coming down with momentum, and you feel me? I figured, hey, shit, if price is gonna continue selling, and it did break this zone right here, so if price is gonna continue selling, I know how gold be taking off, so I got in for a sell. Like I wasn't risking that much at all, honestly. So and I knew the risk to it, so I was cautious when I got into the trade, and it didn't play out. So that was my second loss of the day, and then I just caught this move right here, and now we're currently in profit. We're just waiting to see if price is gonna make its way up here. That's pretty much it. And this trade right here is the trade that I took. I took this trade last night, honestly, and it did hit type shit. But I'm definitely trying to see if I can make something happen with this trade. I got most of my positions TPs up here, but also I got a couple a little higher because you know gold be taking off. Especially this is an uptrend right here. So if it wants to continue going up, you know gold is gonna go up. Especially like rejected right off of here, and yeah, man. So this definitely has the potential to continue going up, but who knows? Because currently it is still in this miniature trend, and it's still yet hasn't really broken structure. So we're just gonna have to see. This would be like a good one-on-one type shit. See if that's all they want to give me. But we'll see what happens, and move forward from there for sure. But yeah, this is pretty much it, man. Pretty much did my analysis last night. And then got into that trade that right here, and woke up this morning. I got into this with my live account too, cause this is the prop firm challenge. But I got into this shit with my live account too, and I was risking like about $10-12, but unfortunately, this actually ended up taking me out because I had my stop loss right here instead of right here. Cause in this one I had it right here, but on my live I had it a little tighter, and it ended up taking me out. But that's cool though, you know. I'm not afraid of a loss because I know I can always make that back. So. We just wait, bro. We just wait. Just wait to see what happens. Go wanna play with me right here. It's crazy. Low key, this candle did break it, so I have faith. I do think it's gonna continue going up, so which is why I am holding. I'm just gonna have to wait and see what's happening. But who knows, nigga? Man, I'm really hoping this trade goes through, cause like I'm down on my challenge right now, so it's gotta hit, man. It's gotta hit. It's gotta hit. It's gotta hit. You gotta hit, man. You feel me? Oh, you know what's crazy? You know what's actually crazy? That I did not even check the news today, fam. And today is President's Day too, so man, the market's still moving. Yeah. It ain't really no news, so I guess I was good. And look, gold look like it's doing this thing. So we gonna continue to hold and see where it goes. You know, the candles are still breaking each other, so that's an indication that price still wants to go up. So That's another reason to hold. And we are on the 15-minute too, so let me peep the 5-minute and see what's going on. Yeah. You see that rejection right there? And it's hitting off that trend line too, right? So I gotta really be careful with that, especially because of the time. It's 11:46. So they can just literally push me all the way down back to where I started from and just consolidate there for the rest of the day. You feel me? And I'm pretty much close to a 1-on-1. So I feel like we still got some room to push up, especially because of this supply right here. You know what I'm saying? So if it doesn't respect this, which it has been respecting, we're gonna have to wait and see. I'm moving my TPs to break even. So I'm not trying to, it's late in the day like I said, and I'm not trying to have price come back and just violate me. This is the 15-minute chart, so you see it moving. So if I go, if I show you it, there should be something valid. They want to come take me out, so be it. Question is, should I take some profits? Should I take some profits? You know what I'm saying? Seems like price is pushing up. So that's good. That's very good. Just what I thought was gonna happen. It broke a little. It broke through the trend line right here just a little bit, just like this did over here before. This did over here before. You know what I'm saying? So let's see if it continues to break this and continue to make its way up. I think that's possible. So I'm gonna continue to hold on real strong, and we'll see what happens. For sure. So as you can see, god damn, that's pretty smooth. I'm not gonna hold you. Shit, that's what's up. No bullshit. No bullshit. That is what's up. So I'm gonna definitely let this shit go ahead and continue. I did have my. Oh hell no! I'm tweaked if I don't take profit, right? Coming in with some momentum, bro. That's wild. I gotta go back upstairs. Let me catch this for the gram real quick. You know the vibes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Slow-fee bussin'. Man, I've been reporting for mad long. Well, this was a good trade, man. Real smooth trade. Hell yeah. This is what I do. But yeah, I did lose. I did take 2 L's today before I was able to maximize my profits, but everything that I lost, I basically made, I'm pretty sure I made what I lost plus some extra. So you know, that's good. That's good. That's what happens when you have a good risk to reward ratio and you just stick to the plan. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Did I know price was gonna go all the way up there? Nah, but I had a feeling based off of my analysis, and you know, you just gotta have that gut feeling and know when to get into the trade. That's why I say trading is psychology, because if you don't know how to trust your gut, you don't know how to understand, then it's gonna be really hard to trade. It's just simply put like that. Like, it's gonna be extremely hard to trade. So you feel me? For sure. For sure. And like I said, I did lose a couple trades earlier, but it was nothing that was gonna destroy my whole account, because my risk was on point. Once your risk is on point, then you know you can't keep losing. You know you're gonna catch. You have the potential to catch the next setup. So as long as you got the correct risk to reward ratio, a loss ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? So just gotta thug it out until you get that W. Now, price is actually acting up over here, but I do feel like we can go ahead and just hit the TP. If not, bro, cause this shit has done it to me multiple times, and it's late in the day too. It's late in the day, man. It's late in the day. It's 1:14. Kind of want to get this over with, and probably just edit the video and possibly just post that shit. This whole time I've been trading for like the past hour or so, I've actually been in a risk-free trade. So let me actually turn this shit off. So a way to help my psychology in this shit is to, you know, minimize my risk. So once I seen price was moving up here, and I noticed that it was late in the day, and if price was to come, what the fuck? Like I was saying, if price was to come back and go back down, I would be heated, especially if it comes down and I end up losing. So that's why I ended up moving my stop loss to break even. And so for the past hour or so, like, I've been in a risk-free trade, which means like I technically wasn't risking anything. All this was just, you know, unrealized gains. Like, I didn't actually make that yet because I didn't close my trade. So, but if price had came down, I wouldn't have lost anything at all because I moved my stop loss to break even. So in fact, I would have probably gained like a couple dollars or so. You feel me? But this was an ideal trade. This is the type of trades I like to get into, especially when I move my stop loss to break even and price doesn't even come down and test that area. I like to see shit like this. You feel me? But in this zone right here, this is a supply. So I will be extremely cautious once price actually goes and hits that supply. It hits the my zone, because I don't think it actually hit it. It actually touched it yet. I mean, it doesn't always have to touch it, but you know, yeah. So it hasn't touched it yet. So once price gets in there, and and you see what I'm saying? So it didn't touch it yet. It did that little wick. Probably faked a lot of niggas out. A lot of niggas probably thought, you know, price is coming down. Let me see if that's like a 15-minute. But a lot of niggas probably thought price is coming down, and just for them to be taken out like right now. So, and basically that's kind of what happened to me down there earlier. I'm just seeing how this trade played out, and hopefully these TPs just get crammed, like smashed. No cap. This trade right here, this trade definitely just did some. So I've done this before. I'm not gonna hold you. Just like this. It's be like, we gonna hold, and price actually ends up and violated my shit. But my nigga, we gonna hold this shit. We gonna hold. We ain't no bitch. Sir, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see, price is continuing to move up. Hopefully this time it does go and take out my TPs so that I don't have to keep stressing. But nah, I'm just fucking with you. I ain't even stressing, but I do want it to take out my TPs though. It's about time. Or I don't feel like it's gonna come down now. Or it might just consolidate in this area, but at least come and take my TPs out first and then consolidate. You know what I mean? Alright, bro. So basically what happened was, as I mentioned earlier, today is President's Day, and the market ended up closing a little bit earlier, or whatever is happening. I feel like later on it's gonna be fine, like everything's gonna work, but I don't actually know how this shit works. But that's what's happening right now. I feel like it's just for a few hours. I'm not even gonna hold you, and it's gonna pop back up, but I currently can't get out my trade, and I didn't expect that to happen, but it is what it is, you feel me? Overall though, if we're looking at the bigger picture, the trade that I took was right here, you feel me? Let me actually pause this. Dude, what's up, bro? I didn't even know you was in here. I'll keep y'all posted, and I'm pretty much gonna end this live. Yeah, this was a pretty smooth vibe. I actually was able to catch a dub. I've been on a losing streak and shit like that, so that's no fun. But I'm glad I was able to catch a dub today, and hopefully it remains a dub. And I'll see y'all niggas tomorrow. Right back onto this shit like I never left, man. So yes, sir. I'm out this bitch.